Once upon a time there lived a happy shoemaker who passed his days working and singing from morning till night, rain or shine. A rich banker who passed by the shoemaker daily felt sad at the sight of the poor shoemaker working so hard. He wanted to help him. One day he asked the shoemaker, "Hello man, I see you working hard daily and wondering how much do you earn in a year?" The shoemaker replied, "I earn enough to make both ends meet." "I am really sorry to hear that. You must be living in great distress," said the rich banker. "But I am used to this sort of life and I am happy," said the shoemaker. The next day, the rich banker again came to visit the shoemaker. He came with 10,000 takas in a bag. He said to him, "Look, my friend, I have brought 10,000 takas for you. Keep this money and remove your distress." The shoemaker was greatly surprised. At first, he refused to take the money. The rich banker told him that he could use the money in times of difficulties. The shoemaker took the money from the rich banker and thanked him. Now a new fear troubled the shoemaker. He said to himself, 10,000 takas is a lot of money. He could not think where to keep the money safe. He dug a hole in his hut and kept the money there. But he always thought that his money could be stolen at any time. This thought kept him awake, and he lost his sleep every night. He lost his smile, happiness, and forgot to sing. He could not devote himself to his work. As a result, his life became more miserable. Peace and happiness vanished from his life. The shoemaker gradually realized that he had money, but no peace of mind. Learning. Money does not necessarily bring happiness. It is difficult to earn money and even more difficult to safeguard it. It brings more fear and anxiety to protect the wealth. The money which should have brought happiness brought more restlessness and fear. This does not mean that money is not good. It is good to have enough money for our needs and comfort and a little more to be of help to others.